Simplify and write in exponential form. Now to simplify this, what we will do is, we will see that if the bases are same and they are in the multiplication, so we can directly add the powers together. This is the product law of exponentials. So here we will see that -5 is the base. Both the bases are equal. So we can directly add the powers 3 plus 4. So simple addition we have to perform with powers, and after addition we will get 7. So this will be the answer here. We will move on to the next sum. P. Here any variable is taken, that is P, and same product law will be applied here. P cube multiplied by P to the power minus 10. Now here bases are same, so we can take one common base and we can directly add the powers. So 3 minus 10. Now here both the signs are different, so we can subtract these two. So 10 minus 3 will be 7 and the sign of the bigger number will be carried over. So P to the power minus 7 will be the answer here. Now we will move on to the next one. Now here all the bases are same, but here 3 bases are there. Same thing we will do. We will apply product law. So 3 will be the base and we will add all together all these 3 powers. 5, no sign change will be there, minus 10 will be there, plus 6 will be there. So when we add 5 minus 10 and plus 6, we will first do this. 5 minus 10 will be minus 5 plus 6, and then minus 5 plus 6 will be plus 1. So here 3 power plus 1 will be the answer. Now to the next sum. Here 3 types of laws will be applied here. Now here between the two bases division sign has been given. So we will first apply here quotient's law. So in division sign we have to subtract the powers. If the sign between the two bases is division, we have to subtract the powers. So the base are same. We will subtract 5 minus 8 and above it power is 5. Remaining thing we will write as it is. Now after subtracting 5 minus 8 will be minus 3. We will do the operation subtraction and the sign of the bigger number will be carried over. So the answer will be minus 3. Above that power 5 is there, multiplied by 2 power minus 5. Now here power of the power law will be applied. Power 3 is there, above that again power 5 is there. That means we will multiply this. Minus 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 5. Now here the answer will be 2 to the power minus 15 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 5. Now here we will apply product law. The bases are same. We will directly add these powers. So the answer will be 2 to the power minus 15 minus 5. Now here the signs are similar. So we will do addition here and the power sign of the higher number will be given. So the answer will be 2 to the power minus 20.